In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can preview full screen in Adobe After Effects. So first, we're going to put this footage here at 100%. And now we're going to go to the preview window, which if it isn't visible yet, you can go to Window, and then here choose Preview. And in the preview window, if this isn't fully visible, might be that it's like this, you have to drag it open so you see everything. In this preview window, we're going to select full screen. I also select to move time to preview time. In this case, when you pause your video, your time where you have paused it will also be selected on your timeline here. And then now the easy thing is to just press the play button and you're viewing your video full screen. And to pause it or stop previewing, you just press the spacebar and then you're back into your project. And that's how you can easily preview your footage full screen in Adobe After Effects. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.